Let's be real, finding the perfect vacuum can feel like a bit of a chore itself. But when it comes to balancing power, convenience, and value, canister vacuums are where it's at. They're versatile, easy to maneuver, and packed with features to keep every corner of your home spotless. Whether you are tackling a sprawling house with wall-to-wall carpet or just need something quick and lightweight for a modern apartment, there's a perfect option for you. We've scoured the market to bring you the top-rated models, from budget-friendly workhorses to high-end German-engineered machines. Get ready to meet your new favorite cleaning companion. First up is a fantastic choice for anyone wanting simplicity and power without breaking the bank, the Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister. This blue machine is incredibly lightweight at just over 8 pounds, making it a breeze to carry up and down stairs or maneuver around furniture. It features a generous 2.5-liter backless dust cup, which means no ongoing costs for replacement bags. Just rinse the washable filter when it needs cleaning and you're good to go. The telescoping metal wand extends your reach, and we love the automatic cord rewind that saves you the hassle of wrapping it up by hand. Plus, there's a handy crevice tool built right into the handle, so you'll never lose it. While it's great for everyday messes on carpets and hard floors, it is best suited for smaller homes and apartments. If you're looking for an affordable, no-fuss vacuum that's easy to store and maintain, this is a top contender you should definitely check out. The link is down below. Next, we have something truly unique, the EVPRO Touchless Vacuum. This is not your traditional vacuum. Think of it as an automatic, always-on dustpan. It's designed for quick cleanups on hard floors. You just sweep debris towards it, and its infrared sensors instantly activate, sucking up everything from pet hair to cereal to salon clippings. With a 1400-watt motor, it removes debris in a flash, and you never have to bend down with a dustpan again. It holds a 4.8-liter capacity and uses high-efficiency washable filters. The only real consideration is that it's a stationary unit, best placed in a kitchen, workshop, or salon, rather than a vacuum for cleaning your whole house. For anyone who wants a super convenient, touchless way to handle daily sweeping, especially pet owners or seniors, this product is an absolute game changer. You've got to see it in action. Click the link to learn more. Now, if you value superior engineering and a truly clean home, the Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction is in a league of its own. This German-engineered machine is a beauty in graphite gray. It's a bagged canister vacuum, and Miele's filtration system is incredible. It actually cleans the air as you vacuum, making it ideal for households with allergy sufferers. It offers 6 different suction power settings, so you can dial in the perfect amount of power for delicate rugs or tough dirt on low-pile carpet. It comes with a combination floor head, dusting brush, crevice tool, and upholstery tool, all ready to clip on. It's compact, portable, and surprisingly quiet. While it's an investment and you'll need to buy replacement bags, the build quality and performance are worth every penny. This is the best choice for those who want a durable, high-performance machine that will last for years. If you're serious about cleanliness, you need to see this one. For a feature-packed option that's incredibly versatile, take a look at the Kenmore BC 3005 pet-friendly canister vacuum. This lightweight, bagged model is designed with pets and busy homes in mind. It features a powerful 2-motor system and an extended, lightweight aluminum telescoping wand that gives you over 9 feet of reach, perfect for cleaning ceiling corners or under furniture. The 26-foot cord is retractable for easy storage, and all the tools, including a crevice tool and bare floor tool, store neatly on board. Its triple high-efficiency particulate air filtration system is excellent for trapping allergens. A subtle drawback is that it's a bit heavier than some others on this list, at just under 20 pounds, but that extra heft comes from a more robust motor. With 4 height adjustments, it transitions effortlessly from carpets to hard floors. If you need a durable, all-around powerhouse that can handle pet hair with ease, this is the one for you. Hit the link below to see why it's a bestseller. Finally, we have the innovative Dyson Big Ball Multi-Floor Canister. Dyson is famous for its clever engineering, and this yellow machine is no exception. The standout feature is its ball technology, which houses the core components, allowing the entire vacuum to pivot and turn on the spot effortlessly as you move around furniture. It also has a fantastic self-righting feature. If it tips over, it simply picks itself back up. The hygienic dirt ejector lets you empty the bin without ever touching the dust. It includes a carbon fiber turbine head that picks up fine dust from hard floors, while stiff nylon bristles remove ground-in dirt from carpets. It feels incredibly well built. However, note that its post-motor filter is non-washable and will eventually need replacing. This is the perfect choice for someone who values maneuverability and the latest technology. It makes cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a walk in the park. You can find the link to this one in the description. So, after looking at all these fantastic options, which one comes out on top? For the absolute best combination of German engineering, superior air quality, and versatile cleaning, the Miele Classic C1 is our winner. It's an investment in your home that you'll appreciate every time you use it. But we know every home and budget is different. Whether it's the budget-friendly Eureka, the genius EyeVac, the powerful Kenmore, or the innovative Dyson, every vacuum on this list was carefully selected because it excels in its category. We're confident you'll love whichever one fits your life best. Be sure to check the links in the description below for current prices and to see which one is the perfect fit for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more top-rated reviews. Happy cleaning!